severe weather watch for your area. The following message has been transmitted of an request by the National Weather Service. A severe weather watch has been activated for your area until July 15, 2021, 10 a.m. Central European Summer Time. A severe weather watch means that there can be a threat by severe weather and you should prepare for one if necessary. A severe weather can be heavy rainfall, extreme strong winds, dry thunderstorms, or an extreme heat wave. You should prepare for these possible extreme weathers by packing an emergency pack with food, water, clothing, a flashlight, and battery-powered radio with extra batteries, and phone and charger. We will inform you about any updates regarding this weather as soon as possible. Repeating, a severe weather watch has been activated for your local area until July 15, 2021, 10 a.m. Central European Summer Time. Severe thunderstorm warning for your area. The following message has been transmitted of an request by the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for your area until July 15, 2021, 10 a.m. Central European Summer Time. The severe weather watch alarm that has been given yesterday at approximately 3:30 p.m. has been deactivated. This is a severe thunderstorm warning for area. You should prepare for this extreme weather and an possible evacuation by packing an emergency pack with food, water, clothing, a flashlight, and battery-powered radio with extra batteries, and phone and charger. We will inform you about any updates regarding this weather as soon as possible. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been activated for your local area until July 15, 2021, 10 a.m. Central European Summer Time. Flash flood alert for North Rhine-Westphalia. The following message has been transmitted of an request by the National Weather Service. This is a flash flood warning. A flash flood alert means that there will be an inbound flood caused by heavy rainfall and or fast melted ice. This warning is for the following counties: Bochum, Leverkusen, Rheinisbergisker Kreis, Rhein-Sieg-Kreis, Bonn, Ahrweiler, Fuchseniefel, Eiffelkreis, Bitburg, Prum, Trier-Saarburg, Trier, Euskirchen, Düren, Köln, Rhein-Erft-Kreis, Düsseldorf, Essen in effect until July 20, 2021, 11:30 a.m. Central European Summer Time. Prepare for an possible evacuation for your area by packing an emergency pack with food, water, and clothing that last up to 5 days, a flashlight, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, and phone and charger. We will inform you about any news regarding this extreme weather as soon as possible. Stay tuned to local news media for further information about this event. Repeating, an flash flood alert has been given for North Rhine-Westphalia until July 20, 2021, 11:30 a.m. Central European Summer Time. Immediate evacuation order. The following message has been transmitted of an request by civil authorities. This is an immediate evacuation for the following counties: Bochum, Leverkusen, Rendsburgisker Kreis, Rhein-Sieg-Kreis, Bonn, Ahrweiler, Fußgängerfeld, Eiffelkreis Bitburg Prum, Trier-Saarburg, Trier, Euskirchen, Düren, Köln, Rhein-Erft-Kreis, Düsseldorf, and Essen, effective immediately. If you are in one of the named counties, evacuate them now. A strict shelter-in-place ban was imposed for these areas. Take your emergency pack with food, water, and clothing that last up to 5 days, a flashlight, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, and phone, and charger, and leave your town by the end of tomorrow night. The earlier flash flood alert is still active. Move to higher ground. And stay away from rivers. During this emergency, civil authorities are setting up temporary shelters in schools. A list can be found on the emergency system page under evacuation camps. When evacuating, try to drive with only one car per family. For those who haven't any vehicles, please go to the closest train, light rail, or bus stop and drive to the next central station. Normal train and bus. Traffic has been suspended during this event to evacuate as many people as possible. Refusing to evacuate can put your life in danger. Highways that are marked as evacuation routes have been closed to regular traffic. Do not use any shortcuts. When you spot a road that has been flooded, turn around and contact law enforcement. Stay tuned to local news media for further information about this dangerous situation. Repeating, an immediate evacuation order has been given for North Rhine-Westphalia and Hesse until further notice. This message will repeat in 1 hour. The following message has been transmitted by local authorities. An 911 telephone outage emergency has been issued for your area until further notice. You are currently unable to reach law enforcement units by phone due to a system failure. How long it takes to repair it is unknown at this time. This alert will be lifted as soon as possible once the problem has been solved. Stay tuned to local news media for further information about this dangerous situation. The following message has been transmitted of an request by civil authorities. A landslide warning is in effect in your area until further notice. A landslide is moving soil caused by heavy rainfall at steep hills. Avoid traveling along unsafe cliffs. If a landslide occurs, stop your car immediately, lock door and windows, lower your head towards your legs and cover your neck with your arms. Do not leave your vehicle, it can save your life. Since landslides can create power outages, this station has suspended its regular programming until further notice to keep the public updated during this event. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand.
This is an emergency action notification effective for South and Southwest Germany. Due to severe weather activities, all television and broadcast stations have suspended their regular programming to participate within the emergency alert system. This is the Allgemeine Deutsche Rundfunk serving the city of Wuppertal and surrounding areas in North Rhine-Westphalia. If you are not in this area, tune now to a station serving your area. There might be a possible power outage in the next days due to landslides caused by heavy rainfall. For more information, tune to 103.7 on AM. This is a national emergency. Further programming has been discontinued until further notice. This message will repeat every 30 minutes to keep the public informed on time.
Civil danger warning for your local area. The following message has been transmitted of an request by the German government of public safety in conjunction with civil authorities. During the last 2 days, a flash flood passed Trough South and Southwest Germany and caused a lot of damage to properties and infrastructure along rivers. For safety, law enforcement close most bridges to prevent them to collapse. Rescue teams are on their way to assist people in need who are still trapped on house roofs. You are not allowed to enter any flooded areas at this time. Do not block any roads and let emergency vehicles pass. We will inform you as soon as possible when an all clear has been given. Stay tuned to local news media for further information about this developing event. The government thanks you for your cooperation during this event. Normal programming may now resume.